Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GitHub Actions to run AI tests with OpenAI step by step clearly. To enable GitHub Actions to run AI tests with OpenAI, start by navigating to your GitHub repository. Ensure you have a valid OpenAI API key. Access the repository settings by clicking on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Secrets and Variables section in the sidebar. Click on Actions to create a new secret. Add a new secret by clicking on the New Repository Secret button. In the name field, enter OpenAI_API_key. Paste your OpenAI API key into the value field and click Add Secret. Next, create a new GitHub Actions workflow file in your repository. Navigate to the .github/workflows directory or create it if it doesn't exist. Create a new file, naming it aitests.yml. Open the aitests.yml file in your code editor. Begin by specifying the workflow name at the top of the file. Define the trigger event for the workflow under the on key. For example, set it to respond to push and pull _request events. Next, add a jobs section to define the different jobs in your workflow. Name the job Run AI Tests. Specify that the job should run on the latest version of Ubuntu. Under the Steps section, start with the checkout step to pull your code. Add a step to set up Python by using the actions/setup_python action. Specify the Python version you wish to use in this step. Add a step to install the required dependencies using pip install. Incorporate a step to set up your OpenAI API key as an environment variable. Use the env key to reference the secret you created earlier. Now, write a step to run your AI tests using the appropriate command. Ensure your test command leverages the OpenAI SDK or your testing framework. Save that aitests.yml file. Commit your changes and push them to your GitHub repository. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.